Today's project is these windows. I'm going to replace these window weight things. I don't know what they're called. I'll find it. Okay, and then I already bought them. I checked all these windows. These are 18-inch. What is it? 10-pound. And I'll show you. So you put those keepers out, and then the window just slides out. I'm going to clean this up real good. And then these come out. And here's the old one that says 19. Oh, these are 19-inch. All right. What it is these are model number 1810. They're 19-inch. 10-pound. Which is what these original ones were. Now I'm going to clean this up. Oh, and these little things that hold the window are called takeout clips. Takeout clips. I'm going to put the new ones in. There's a little clip here that goes into the square clip, square hole. And I just stick it on that takeout clip. And that clip. Oh, I gotta clean this window up. Push it in to the group. There's a channel here, and that's where we're gonna put these new. Let's call them the right name. Channel balance. Make sure it gets in there. Try this one. Oh, I got it upside down. I'm never gonna get in there. Okay, try to get that in there. Just very slowly put it down till they both go in. Push your takeout clips in. Open it all the way up. Feels like we're not in one. Yeah. Unfortunately, we missed. So, take these back out again. It's probably the hardest part is getting them in there the same. All right, so that's that. Now, I'm going to spray it. It's a little silicone spray on these tracks, just so it slides. And then I'll put this on from the outside, probably. Yeah, let me just go do that. It'll be easier. Okay, that's it. These things get brittle, but even the new ones suck that I bought. I'm just trying to get a close-up of that. When you open this, that'll catch those, and then you can pull that window out that easy. And then we can take these out, and you can see where they clip in. That easy. You might be wondering why we're doing all this window stuff. Well, we got a quote for new windows to the tune of $45,000. Well, that included doors too, but at any rate, we decided we should probably just fix them up ourselves. And that's what we're doing. So these screens were a disaster, so we're going to put new screens on all the windows, but I only have enough for 2 right now. I already did one. Make sure I knew what I was doing before I filmed it. Okay. So this was an old kit I had. I'm gonna go buy some more screen stuff. Screen and the spline. But that package came with enough for 2 of these screens, a spline tool, and the spline. So I think this is a good start. Get the first part started. Go around the top. All right, then you get a super, this is a brand new blade, super sharp, and just trim it right against the side above the spline. Slow and steady. Perfect. It's awesome. All right.